Here are some simple solutions to help get your Electrolux dryer running as it should. Make sure the power cord fits tightly in the wall outlet. Still no power? Check to ensure a house fuse isn't blown or the circuit breaker tripped. Also ensure the dryer is on a separate circuit. Don't forget to press power. Or simply check to see if Delay Start was inadvertently activated, or the control child lock may be set. And finally, make sure the door is completely closed. Your dryer will not start otherwise. It's important to remember, some models will automatically turn off if you don't press start within a few minutes of setting the cycle. If this happens, reset your cycle and press start. Some models have a predictive dry feature. You may not hear or see your dryer start for about 90 seconds as it is sensing your load. This display will show 3 dots scrolling. When sensing is complete, the display will show the cycle time. Problem still not solved? Check your use and care guide, visit us online, or call us.